I was sent this CarPlay screen for my feedback, and I'm honestly impressed with how much it can do for you. So first off, it's completely portable. So you don't have to mess with taking apart your dashboard or doing any complicated install. You just plug it into your cigarette lighter, mount the screen, and you're pretty much good to go. That alone makes it a great option if you're driving an older car that doesn't already have built-in CarPlay. It has this large 8.1-inch touch screen, which is a really nice size. It's not too bulky, but big enough to clearly see your maps, music, and everything else while you're driving. The screen is responsive and easy to navigate. One of the main features is the wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Once you connect your phone, it pairs quickly and stays connected. You can pull up your maps, take calls, read messages, and play music without touching your phone. It also works with Siri or Google Assistant, so you can use voice commands and keep your hands on the wheel, which I really like. It also has a mirror link feature, so you can actually display apps from your phone right onto the screen, things like videos or other apps, which is nice when you're parked or just want that bigger display. Another thing I didn't expect is that it comes with both a front and rear camera. The front dash cam records in 2K and the backup camera is 1080p. It even has loop recording, so it just keeps recording over old footage automatically. That's a nice extra layer of security, especially for everyday driving. For audio, you've got a few different options. You can use Bluetooth, aux, or even an FM transmitter to play your sound through your car speakers. So no matter what kind of setup your car has, it should work. Overall, this is just one of those upgrades that make your car feel a lot more modern without spending a ton or doing complicated install. Definitely check it out.